Hello YouTube, if you enjoy these videos, please be sure to share, like, and subscribe.
I'm the first person east of the Rocky Mountains to go up in a parachute.
Now let's take a second to reiterate. It's not a parachute, it's a paraglider.
Now, I saw this. My father showed me his Popular Mechanics magazine, where some boys out in California took a fancy parachute and fixed it up and dragged it behind a car, and it seemed like a good idea. So I was going to college. I had a friend whose father had an airport, private airport, and he went home the following weekend and grabbed a parachute and brought it back. So we cut it all up and just cut some panels out. It didn't work too well. We started trying to pull with a 49 Chevy, which got you about 3 feet off the ground. And then we moved on up to, I think it was a 57 Olds, and it pulled us quite well. And we didn't get real high, but you'd say that our feet could have landed on top of a telephone pole. That would be the general height that we were able to acquire. And we actually dropped a guy, the rope broke, got cut by the bumper, and he was the one that had the 49 Chevy. That was his first attempt. When he hit the ground, he bounced a good 6 or 8 feet off the ground. Took him to the hospital, but nothing was broken. So then the guy with the Oldsmobile, he had to leave. He was flying to Chicago for something or other. But that was back in 1964, I believe.
What was your major?
Elementary education. And you know what? I have some pictures. One was the local school newspaper put it in. And not good pictures, but have some pictures of it.
Oh yeah?